loves, and welcome back to my channel. So on my previous video, I showed you guys the comparison between this Revlon air dryer and volumizer and its dupe. So now that I have a better grip on how to use this air dryer and volumizer from Revlon, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to achieve this salon looking blowout. So the first tip that I'm going to show you guys is on how to hold this tool when blow drying your hair. So there's two ways to hold this tool. So the first way is to hold the blow dryer like this. One hand on the handle, one hand on the blow dryer, and your other hand on the top of the blow dryer. So you're gonna grip the top, and then you're going to roll it until the end.
Or you can use both of your hands, put it on the handle, and this you can do when you have thicker pieces of hair that you need to blow dry. This gives you a better maneuver. My second tip is to pull the hair up in a 75-degree angle to have a more volumized look. You can also put the settings on cool, roll the hair all the way to the roots, and let it stay there for a few seconds to really dry the roots and set the hair, and then gently let go. My third tip is if you have bangs or if you have layers on your hair, grab the center front section of your hair and blow dry it away from your face. This will give you that swoop that frames your face beautifully. My fourth and last tip is if you see any frizz, get that thin part of the frizz, put your setting onto high, and slowly roll the brush. This would smoothen out that frizz on your hair.
So that's it. Those are my tips and tricks when using this Revlon hair dryer and volumizer. Now you can have this amazing blowout without going out to the salon. I hope you guys learned something from this. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to this video, like this video, and make sure that you hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. I'll see you on my next one.